Tools are such a common part of our lives that it's difficult to remember that they may pose potential hazards to our safety. Tragically, a serious incident can occur before steps are taken to identify and avoid or eliminate tool-related hazards. Employees who use hand and power tools are potentially exposed to the hazards of falling, flying, and splashing objects, abrasive particles or harmful dusts, fumes, mists, vapors, or gases. Exposure to these hazards must be mitigated or eliminated, first through engineering controls, then administrative controls, and finally personal protective equipment, or PPE. Following proper procedures and then using the appropriate personal protective equipment is essential to your safety. For electric tools, all electrical connections must be suitable for the type of tool and the working conditions, such as wet, dusty, and potentially flammable vapors. When a temporary power source, for example a backup or portable generator, is used during construction activities or to make emergency repairs, be sure and use a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. Every employee that uses or has the potential to use hand and power tools should be trained in the proper use of all tools. Workers should be able to recognize the hazards associated with the different types of tools and the safety precautions necessary. Hand tools include anything from axes to wrenches. The greatest hazards posed by hand tools result from misuse and improper maintenance. Some examples include the following. If a screwdriver is used as a chisel, the tip of the screwdriver may break and fly off, hitting you or other employees. If a wooden handle on a tool, such as a hammer or an axe, is loose, splintered, or cracked, the head of the tool may fly off, causing an injury. If impact tools, such as chisels, wedges, or drift pins, have mushroomed heads, the heads might shatter on impact, sending sharp fragments flying toward the user or other employees.